on these things are just absolutely gorgeous.
To watch everybody's different expressions they do on their cars.
Yeah,
Like some stuff you look at, you go, what are they thinking? But
that's their personality. Yeah, exactly.
One guy rolled in here. I told him he rolled in here jamming out the BG Staying Alive.
Yeah.
I said, man, you got it going on when you can roll in here jamming out the BG.
Right.
There's a name for it. I can't think of it. He pulled in a thing, so that's his thing right there.
Oh, okay. So he's gonna want to go buy me.
That's original. He found it up north.
That van?
Yes.
That is a factory thing? That's a factory van?
That
can't be.
Yes, he found it up north. All original.
Wow.
Like a time capsule. Andrew!
One of those steering wheels, every time you turn the wheel, it goes off. I bet that's pretty damn aggravating. Pretty good. How are you doing? Yeah, it is, bro. Right off that lake rim. Hey, pretty good. there's also a bike show going on here. It's everything air-cooled here, and we're right here in the parking lot of Moto 70 or 73 Moto. I don't know why I get that backwards. I always go Moto 73, but it's 73 Moto. You can go to 73moto.com to see some of their clothing line, but they got some pretty cool bikes here. We're going to check these bikes out before I leave. Some obvious classics. Got a chopped one over there, chopper. So we'll go through here and check this stuff out.
So let's move the tent just a little bit over to that way. Yeah. Just get a little bit that way. Perfect. There we go. That's good. All right. Perfect.
Hey guys, how are y'all? Welcome to warm Florida, right? Sunny Florida. I wonder if it's for sale or is it a private collection?
Well, get this side of it.
77, 75. Right. That's cool. Beautiful, man. That is beautiful. Is there a story behind these?
No,
No, you just love them. You want to keep them.
I love them. Yeah,
That's
neither one of them ran when I bought it.
Uh-huh.
Got them running, cleaned them up, and
out in the garage, putting all your hard work into them. Yeah, I can dig it.
Yeah.
I can dig it, bro.
it doesn't come easy.
No, it does not. None of this comes easy.
Nah.
That's cool. Beautiful bikes. Vendor, Amsoil. Everything Amsoil. Whoa. That's perfect. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to walk in here. This is the basin. This is the anchor bar here at Henry's Depot. This is a pretty cool place. I've never been here before. So it's a full liquor bar. You can get full liquor here. They got TV screens. You can see everything on the TV screens, but this is where they're having the VW show today. And we're going to walk through here a little bit and just see. quite cold outside. They're having a VW show out there. If you're watching this, this is because of the VW show. But man, they got some a Japanese hibachi restaurant for ramen, Hawaiian barbecue. Everybody's in here because it's cold, getting coffee. And they've got the Greenery Creamery, a barbecue. Ooh, pulled pork sandwiches. Yeah, I'm up for that. And then I walked through here before and I saw this. The blackened fish Caesar and the blackened shrimp. Man. Shrimp scampi linguine. I gotta come here. And then they got a pizza house in here. You can get a pizza here. Behind me is Salvatore sandwiches. And what I saw here, it's all boar's head. They're using all boar's head. And then the cheesecake. I saw the cheesecake, and look at all the drizzles you can have put on your cheesecake. Strawberry, raspberry, all kinds of cool stuff. So that's the inside of Henry's Depot. Glad I came in here, glad I came down here. I do have to leave, so I want to thank Jason Davis and Davis's Customs, Henry's Depot, and Moto, or 73 Moto for hosting this. I don't know why I want to keep saying Moto 73, but it's been a great show. I've got to get going down the road, so I want y'all to do me a favor. Please subscribe to the channel. It's Drive By Cars with Alan. You know it. Subscribe to it, like it, share it, do whatever you can. I appreciate your support and thank you. Appreciate it. See y'all later.